I want to be like this guy when I'm older. Hell yeah.
All for the gram. Bitches love the gram.
Oh wait, shit.
What's up, guys? Let's move it this way. Yeah, this is my second cup of coffee. Love coffee. And then I have bread and jam. Blueberry jam. Helps with antioxidants and with your mind. It doesn't though. I'm fucking depressed. Anyways, this is what my non-training day looks like. I'm currently migrating files to my new hard drive that I installed yesterday, and then I'm gonna dump the footage that I have from Monday over to my editing hard drive, and that's pretty much it. There's still like 30 minutes to go because it's a new hard drive and everything's just getting dumped on it, so we'll see. I'm gonna watch Titans. Titans is what I'm really into right now on Netflix. So that's it. That's all. Thanks for joining.
Yesterday.
I got, it's like a birthday present, but I really need this birthday present because without it, I could not vlog. Ooh, what is it, you ask? Well, I'm a fucking huge nerd, and this is a mechanical hard drive. Goes on, I'm gonna go easy. So SATA ports are here, that's cable and data, so power and data, and then you just put it on this bay and you're pretty much good to go. That's it. And you plug it in, you plug everything in, and you format it. Anyways, this is my computer. This is what the back of the computer looks like. It's dope. These are the hard drive bays, and then this is just cabling. It doesn't look too pretty, but I built it, so it's pretty to me. Alright, so I just wanted to show you the inside of my computer just because I had to take this fucking thing out to install a hard drive cable. This is my, these are my hard drives, and I'm going to put that and that into that so I can free up some space. But look, it installed properly. Hey.
2 days later.
Guys, I have been stuck on trying to find a song for my next video. This is so hard. Look at all my tabs, by the way. There's one. Look at all my tabs, by the way. Yeah, this is just a photo of when I got really lucky. So I was in Montreal. My friend's birthday, which is also the same birthday as me, so we had a birthday weekend, and she got a table for like the McGill hockey team, me, McGill soccer team, McGill women's hockey, and like McGill swimming. College was insane. University was insane. But where the fuck was this going? Tabs. I have 13 tabs full of like songs that are potentially good for music, and then like 2 tabs for vlogs that just try to inspire me. So we'll see how that goes. It is almost 3 o'clock and I'm learning how to speak in a French accent. Listen.
T'irais de rosesse vont fraîche yesterday.
Ouais, in the world. Okay. I'm going to the gym, okay.
Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver, no more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar, break
This is how Visco Girl takes fun. We're just fans.
That's not your phone, right?
I pulled it out by saying Carl's name.